Did you know that humans share a whopping 60% of their DNA with bananas? It sounds completely made up, right? But it's a mind-blowing fact confirmed by genetics. Let's peel back the layers and see how this is even possible. First, you need to understand what DNA is. Think of it as the ultimate instruction manual for all living things on Earth, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale. And yes, even you and a banana, we all use the same fundamental building blocks. DNA is made of a code, a language that life itself is written in. This code uses just 4 chemical letters, A, C, G, and T. The incredible diversity of life we see around us comes from the different ways these 4 letters are arranged and sequenced. So, when scientists decided to compare the human genome, our complete set of DNA instructions, with the banana genome, they were looking for similarities in this code. They lined up our genetic sequences against the bananas and ran a comparison. What they found was astonishing. About 60% of our genes have a recognizable counterpart in the banana's DNA. Genes are specific sections of DNA that carry instructions for building proteins, which are the little machines that do almost everything in our cells. Now, hold on. This doesn't mean you're 60% banana. You're not going to turn yellow if you stand in the sun too long, and you definitely can't photosynthesize. The 60% similarity is about the genes that control very basic, fundamental functions that are essential for most life forms. We're talking about things like cell division, DNA replication, and metabolism, the chemical processes that keep us alive. For example, both you and a banana need to convert food into energy. Both of you need to grow from a single cell into a complex organism. Both need to repair damaged cells and get rid of waste. The genes that manage these core tasks have been conserved through millions of years of evolution. They're like the classic time-tested tools in nature's toolbox. Because they work so well, they're found in a vast array of species, from plants to people. Our shared ancestor with bananas lived over 1 billion years ago, but some of those essential genetic instructions were so good they've stuck around. Let's put this into perspective. We share about 96% of our DNA with chimpanzees, which makes sense since they are our closest living relatives. We share about 85% with a mouse. Finding that we share 60% with a fruit really highlights how interconnected life on this planet is. The differences between us and a banana come from the other 40% of our DNA, and also from how those shared genes are used. It's like having the same set of Lego bricks. You can build a car, and I can build a castle. The bricks are the same, but the final structure is completely different because the instructions for putting them together are unique. This fact also shows us that the total percentage of shared DNA isn't the whole story. The really important part is which genes are shared and how they are regulated. The genes that make us human, the ones responsible for our complex brains, our ability to speak, and our opposable thumbs are part of the 40% that we don't share with a banana. Those are the genes that truly define our species. So the next time you peel a banana for a snack, take a moment to appreciate your distant yellow cousin. It's a delicious reminder that we're all part of the same incredible, interconnected tree of life. It's a fact that feels fake, but it's a beautiful testament to our shared evolutionary history. If your mind is as blown as mine, hit that subscribe button for more amazing facts that sound too weird to be true. Thanks for watching.